Hey beautiful people, welcome back to the channel. So it's a girl Stacy.C, and in this video I'm just going to do a little Shein unboxing and try and all. So guys, I'm gonna say again, thank you for coming back to the channel. Don't forget to comment, share, like and subscribe. And guys, we are at 1000 subscribers. Thank you so much. So the first thing that I'm going to try on is this nightwear. So it's a two-piece set. This one is a shorts and with the top, and it is silky as you guys can see. Good material. The only problem that I have with it is that the white lining around the shorts is make the shorts kind of tight. The next thing we have right here is this, whether I say golden with brown strap, whatever, goldish looking bag. The next thing is this bathing suit. This orange bathing suit, and I'm not gonna tell any lie, guys. Like when it come on to bathing suit, Shein, yeah, Shein have it. So the next thing that I bought was these shoes. So the thing about the shoes that it was too big around the face of my foot, so I had to give it away. And the thing is, guys, see them stuff here, them plan big trip. And my things a trip that I go leave group chat, so I do all them big purchase them, buy up everything, and things say, yeah, I go on trip, nothing like that. So that's the shoes, and also I got this lip gloss, but when I put on this lip gloss, it kind of give my lip a reddish look. Never too like it, so I put on that somewhere about the place. So this is how the bathing suit look. Whenever I get to try it on, so I show you. This is how the bathing suit look, and yeah, the material is pretty good. This is me at a river in the bathing suit period. So the next suit that I got is this pink set, and it come with the top and the bottom and also a pants. When me if I put on this a bathing suit here, especially the top, but I have to go back and Shein go look how the girl them tight, because me I say, oh the hell, to the thing them take long to come to, not even remember what and what I forget and how them to look. Okay, so this is the third bathing suit that I bought, and as I told you before, the material them eat. And looking back at this now, may I say, you know, some could I wear the ear tie, the skirting as a ear tie and also as a blouse. Yeah, and I could just wear it as a blouse. Also, I get this white robe, silky. Not too like them robe here, cause them not stay in place. I don't know, them not stay in place, but like when I come out of the shower, I don't want to put on no clothes yet, or I have to go do something, blah blah blah. I'm just straight on, yeah, I'm got through. Also, I got this dress, the black dress here. The material kind of thin though, but it alright. I did buy it for go up on a trip too, and the people them cancel for me. So guess what? I still have them stuff here. So anytime I feel like for go out, I can just throw on something, go on about my business. No, this skirt suit, the material not too bad either. I like the split at the back. The skirt is very tall. I actually actually got the chance to wear this to one little outing dinner thingy. But yeah, the material was good. This is a look, period. Okay, so you all saw me in that orange slippers just now, so I bought it to wear with this and also the skirt suit. So this is a pantsuit. Very nice, very cute. See? Yay. And as I said before, the material them, I don't know. Them things you want me to buy if you go on a trip where the people them cancel, material them eat. Shein bingo with this. So this is how the pantsuit look. Good material. And this is how I look in it when I dressed up and went out, period. Ooh. Also, get this, what is name? Oh, this is a next nightwear, but this one is with a pants. Same thing as the black one, different color, just that this have a pants, tall pants and whatnot. Yay. I also got this short set nightwear as well. Material is the material is pretty good. There you can see. Well, me not really know me. Oh, look at my arm clean. Me don't know me really do this. So I just a try pose and whatnot. Also, I get a slippers here and say, yeah, I'm gonna reach in the house and whatever. And it is very nice. But the thing is, it kind of look a bit too small for my foot, but I make it work. This is the orange slippers that I show you guys that I wear before. Also, because I did have all of my plans them for do my picture, my video and whatnot, I buy the bag here. So if them decide to go up to go at the pool side or the river, I could just wear it. Now I get this orange bag here. Remember if you not see me with night already now. But anyways, I get the orange bag here too. Period. Also, I buy them, what you call them something here? Foot stocking. But I don't like how them look, so I just have them put on. And I get this, I buy the bracelet and ring set here. So yeah, if the girls them I go through then I could have wear it. Well, I wear it for other function. So you know go to waste. And also because them see them I go to do and for people and whatnot. I say alright, I get some games, so I get them stuff here. So yeah, we could have played some game and whatnot, but why can't say it no more, the people them cancel. And me decide say, never again. Me not plan no trip with nobody if we go nowhere because them not going nowhere. Okay guys, so this is the end of the video. Comment and tell me your favorite part and don't forget to share, like and subscribe. Bye.